I don't know who in this world needs to hear this, but stop having sympathy for these guys. Because the only time they will ever understand the concept of feminism when it comes to splitting the bill while on a date. And the only time they will ever understand that patriarchy hurts both the genders when somebody specifically says that patriarchy hurts men too. But the system is built on, supporting men. So why do they have a problem with it? Only when certain situations are hurting them, they are against patriarchy. Otherwise, they have been benefiting from them from like centuries and decades. They love to say that the system is built by men and women have done nothing. And औरतों ने तो कभी कुछ किया ही नहीं है, सिर्फ हर चीज मर्द ने बनाई है, सोसाइटी मर्द ने बनाई है, घर उसने बनाया. तो यार, the reason you are so successful is because there is a woman at your home, there is a mother, sister, wife who has been responsible and taking care of the home, and that is why you were able to do. Because we know that you're not capable of taking care of anything else than that. And you think that you're too manly. It does not, going around and disrespecting women does not make you manly. And they say that, society, really wants men and women to fight against each other because it's easy to divide them. No, we are a part of society and we can't shift the blame on society every single time. And I would say this one more time, that they wouldn't survive without women even one single day. They don't even know where their socks and underwears are. How would they survive? And they say that they have built this economy, built everything. Well, women weren't allowed to get education for centuries and decades. Now when women have started getting educations and have started becoming independent, they are called as rude and arrogant just because they know what they want. And they are not ready to take shit from anyone. And with that, they have a problem too. So these men, they have a problem in everything. So when you ask money from them, they have a problem. If you don't ask money from them, that is also, the time when they have problems. So the only time you can, the only thing that you can do is to stay away from. They love to say that not all men are same, not all men are same. So instead of, shouting on the top of your lungs and saying that you all are not same, do some actions so that we can trust it, because action speaks louder than words. If you're going to just keep on shouting and telling ki nahi, sab log same nahi hote hain, we are different, that, this and that. No, you're not. You're literally doing no reaction. You are not doing you're not giving any reaction. You're not reacting to the worldly problems that women face day to day. And I really don't understand, I don't understand, when they say that, औरत तो हमारे बिना कुछ नहीं है, ये this and that. No, यार, now that women have started earning their own money, they don't need you, bro. They don't need you. So stop going around and disrespecting them and expecting them to be nice to you. Because it's a very harsh world for us. So please don't try to make it harder for us. Please. Thank you.